So I wish to invite all of you now to please join with me in prayer for Anna and Seamus and for all engaged couples. And then I will bless their engagement ring. So Lord, bless these rings as we stand before the shrine of St. Valentine.